What comes to your mind when you think of relaxing? Clearing of mind, clearing of body, stress-free, a walk in the river, a walk on the mountains, and a walk at the park. What's your way of relaxing? Mine, taking a walk in the park. And this is our nature walk to the park.
I know right now you could be wondering what the hell we were doing at those ends of Kenya. My brother Kelvin of the Good Sam Camping World and I decided to take a random nature walk to Maasai Mara, Kenya. We are nature enthusiasts and today was our day to travel the Maasai land. We were from the Maasai Mara University, located in Narok town, and we had to walk all the way to here, Ngoswani Center. We found footing fascinating since we couldn't miss any bit of the nature. We could trespass across forests for animals. The main thing was about the animals. We started our walk at around 2 p.m. and we used the rest of the day walking until we were at around this place, Ngoswani Center, at around 11 p.m. and we had to rest there. Unfortunately, we didn't reach the Maasai Mara Park, but the experience here was already overwhelming. During the night, we were kept away by the sounds of lions and hyenas outside our tent. We had planned to wake up and visit Majimoto camp, where water boiled out from the ground. Yeah, you heard me right. So we rose very early in the morning for our adventure. That morning, we met one Maasai, Siololo, who showed us the shortcut to Majimoto Center. Majimoto was on the opposite side from where we spent the night. So we had to cut across the fields and tracts of land. And here was the best experience. We crossed the fields of large grassland tracts with some few types of animals. The zebras, bucks, antelopes, big gazelles, and some wild beasts. The experience here was awesome.
Every creature is calling. It's a part of you and me.
After a long walk across the Maasai land, we were finally at the Majimoto camp. Only wonders we could spot in this camp. Hello guys, I'm Jay Korak, your African ambassador, and today I'll be taking you to a place where water boils down from the ground. Walk with me. We are getting there in less than a minute. So this is the place. Crazy. If you watch closely, you'll be able to see the bubbles and some water vapor. I bet you've never seen this. It was a shock to me. Just watch. And therefore, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, please. For more adventures, subscribe. The water boiled, was literally boiling. It was 100 degrees hot. Just watch it. Crazy. You see the vapor? We thought those were the last wonders until we came across a forest alleged to be with an elephant. This here is the forest. It's shit. We hoped so much to spot the elephant, but we couldn't. A huge tree there. an elephant tree, definitely. You can see the elephant's shaped. This was the evidence that the elephant was in this forest. We had lunch at Majimoto Center, and it was now time to say goodbye to the Maasai land. That was my best day ever, just because of how I felt spotting all those animals. I was now free from everything. I was just free. You go stress? Take a nature walk to the Maasai lands and we'll be fine. We had to pass across the great lands again so as to get the highway. We gathered some souvenir back home so as to never forget the experience there. Brother, kwani uko na nini hapo?
Kama souvenir over here.
It's a freaking souvenir.
This is my souvenir, my
What the fuck? It's a buffalo's head.
buffalo skull.
It's so cool, man. On getting the highway, a border rider rescued us the journey by taking us a bit closer to Narok. He was like an angel to us. We headed home, ended our nature walk there, and we promised ourselves to visit back again and again. We love Maasai Mara. The love from the Maasai people caught my heart. Asante sana. Ashe Oleng.
Let's protect the world. It's our time to shine. On this World Wildlife Day, let's draw the line. Let's draw the line. We are the guardians, protectors of this land. Together we rise, with the earth in our hands. Let's make a promise for the world to stay strong and wild, for tomorrow and today.